Friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. So in today's video we will see how we can find our table reference in all the procedures in SQL Server. So sometimes we get in situations where we want to fetch where the table name is used in the procedures. Okay, so this is a query that you can see on the screen. Here I have used select name from sys.procedures. Now it will fetch all the procedures and where object definition object id like tvl blocks. So this is a table name that I want to find references of, and so once you write the table name here and you try to execute the query, so it will return back all the procedures names where this table is used. Now the other way is you can go to the database and right click on the table name, and you can click on view dependencies. So here also it will show you the table names, procedure names where this table is used. So these are the two ways to fetch all the procedures where our table name is used in the database. Okay, so if you have any kind of issue, then you can comment on the video, and if you need the query, then you can check out our official website, so cotonite.com. Here you will be able to find the blog how to find all procedures having table reference in SQL Server, and from here you can copy the query that I just showed you in the video. So thanks for watching, guys.